The Lamborghini Aeropod 2045 and 2045. The roar of the engine has left the ground behind, and the sky has become the new racetrack. The Lamborghini Aeropod 2045 emerges as the ultimate symbol of this evolution. A flying sports coupe that transforms power into flight and luxury into liberation. The thunder once heard on racetracks now echoes through the clouds, where Lamborghini reigns supreme above a new frontier. Sleek, aggressive, and impossibly fast. The Aeropod isn't just a car, it's a revolution in motion, a masterpiece of design and engineering that dares to rewrite the laws of speed. In the future, where the road is obsolete, Lamborghini has created the machine that rules the sky. This is more than a glimpse of tomorrow, it's the rebirth of performance, elevated beyond the horizon, where the spirit of Lamborghini continues to burn brighter than ever. The Lamborghini Aeropod 2045 is not just another futuristic concept. It is a bold declaration that speed, technology, and emotion have entered a new dimension. Designed as a flying sports coupe, the Aeropod blends aerospace precision with Lamborghini's iconic design heritage, creating a seamless evolution from supercar to skycraft, crafted from graphene-infused carbon fiber and adaptive nanoalloys. Its body is capable of morphing with the wind, reshaping itself dynamically for optimal aerodynamics in any flight condition. Beneath its sculpted surface lies a plasma fusion propulsion system, combined with anti-gravity magnetic thrust, enabling the Aeropod to take off vertically and soar to stratospheric altitudes without a sound of pollution. Inside, Lamborghini's dedication to human-centered design takes a bold leap forward. A panoramic glass canopy surrounds the pilot. AI systems respond to thought-based commands, and a neural interface synchronizes driver and machine into one. The Aeropod is more than a vehicle, it's a vision of freedom, a redefinition of performance that proves Lamborghini's passion for innovation will never be confined to the ground. The design of the Aeropod 2045 captures Lamborghini's unmistakable DNA, aggressive, emotional, and aerodynamic to perfection, yet evolved to dominate the open skies. Its form is sculpted from graphene weave, a material 10 times stronger and lighter than carbon fiber, allowing the Aeropod to achieve unmatched agility at high altitude. Every line, edge, and contour has been aerodynamically engineered to channel air with zero resistance, giving the body the look of a living organism that breathes with motion. The adaptive aero wings, hidden seamlessly within the body during standby, deploy in milliseconds during takeoff, shifting angles based on wind direction and speed. Integrated air thrust channels guide plasma exhaust flow for enhanced propulsion and stability, while the rear multi-vector diffuser ensures total control at supersonic speeds. At night, Lamborghini's signature Y-shaped plasma lights illuminate the Aeropod, a silhouette like a streak of lightning across the sky, turning every flight into a visual spectacle. It's not just a design, it's a declaration that beauty and performance can exist in perfect aerodynamic symmetry. The plasma fusion core generates enormous energy by fusing ionized hydrogen, creating propulsion that's both clean and nearly limitless. The anti-gravity drive stabilizes the Aeropod by manipulating localized gravitational fields, giving it the ability to glide effortlessly or perform instantaneous maneuvers impossible for traditional aircraft. Integrated AI-controlled thrust vectors constantly adjust power flow across the engines, ensuring optimal performance even in extreme conditions. Supporting these systems are ion boosters embedded throughout the chassis, allowing precise directional control for hovering or rapid acceleration. Together, these technologies form an ecosystem of intelligent propulsion, one that makes the Aeropod capable of moving through the sky with elegance, precision, and raw Lamborghini power. It's not just about flight, it's about commanding the air with the authority of a true legend. Performance has always been the heartbeat of Lamborghini, and in the Aeropod 2045 that legacy reaches new heights literally. The vehicle rockets from zero to airborne in 1.9 seconds, effortlessly transitioning into flight mode as its thrusters ignite. Once in motion, the Aeropod reaches Mach 2.1, cutting through the atmosphere with the force of a jet and the grace of a supercar. Its adaptive flight control system uses advanced aerodynamics and AI to continuously monitor air pressure, temperature, and wind vectors, fine-tuning its body shape and engine output to achieve unmatched stability and precision. In racing mode, The Aeropod unlocks a hyper-performance setting that amplifies thrust vectors, an aerodynamic aggression, giving pilots the sensation of pure, controlled chaos, a thrilling mix of danger and beauty. The AI performance tuner learns from every maneuver, predicting the pilot's behavior to deliver smoother responses, tighter turns, and sharper acceleration. Whether hovering above skyscrapers or slicing through the stratosphere, the Aeropod embodies the essence of Lamborghini, fearless speed that commands respect, redefining what performance means in a world without roads. Step inside the Aeropod 2045, and you enter a world where the boundaries between car and spacecraft dissolve completely. The interior is a fusion of luxury, technology, and intuition, designed to immerse the pilot in total control and comfort. A 360-degree glass canopy surrounds the cockpit, offering panoramic visibility of the skies while smart tinting adjusts transparency to block glare and radiation. The cabin is built with nano-engineered Alcantara and self-healing leather, giving it both futuristic resilience and handcrafted elegance. Ambient lighting shifts hue with altitude and speed, creating a dynamic sensory experience that evolves with every flight. At the center lies the Neural Command Interface. It's an advanced system that reads biosignals from the pilot, allowing flight control through gestures, eye movement, or even thought. Low graphic displays project real-time data across the windshield, integrating augmented reality navigation and AI-assisted route optimization. The AI co-pilot, named Evo, communicates naturally with the pilot, managing stability, system performance, and even environmental adjustments for comfort. Every moment inside the Aeropod feels alive, a connection of human instinct and machine intelligence that turns every journey into an unforgettable experience. In the world of high-speed flight, safety is paramount, and the Lamborghini Aeropod 2045 takes it to unprecedented levels through its Guardian AI system. This advanced network of sensors and processors constantly monitors flight conditions, pilot vitals, and environmental factors to predict and prevent potential risks. The system uses quantum detection technology to anticipate turbulence, micro-weather changes, or gravitational anomalies seconds before they occur, automatically adjusting the Aeropod's balance and thrust. Its dual-layer anti-gravity stabilizers generate a magnetic safety field that cushions against high-speed impact or system failures, ensuring passenger safety even in extreme conditions. In emergencies, the autonomous recovery protocol takes control, stabilizing flight and safely navigating to the nearest landing zone. Biometric security ensures that only authorized pilots can activate the Aeropod, while encrypted real-time data links connect it to global air traffic systems for coordinated flight. This intelligent safety ecosystem doesn't just react, it thinks ahead, merging human instinct with machine foresight to create one of the safest high-speed crafts ever conceived. The Aeropod 2045 isn't only a marvel of performance, it's also a statement of responsibility. Lamborghini's engineers designed the vehicle around a zero-emission plasma fusion core that harnesses renewable atmospheric energy, eliminating fossil fuel dependency entirely. Its self-recharging grid captures kinetic energy from flight motion and converts solar radiation into stored power, ensuring near-infinite range and eco-friendly operation. Every component of the Aeropod, from its graphene titanium body to its nano-circuit systems, is recyclable and built for minimal environmental footprint. Even the heat generated by its propulsion systems is recycled to power auxiliary electronics, reducing waste and maximizing efficiency. The sustainable engineering philosophy represents Lamborghini's evolution from raw mechanical power to intelligent, conscious performance, a future where speed and sustainability coexist. The Aeropod proves that true innovation isn't just about going faster. It's about moving smarter, cleaner, and infinitely further. Flying the Lamborghini Aeropod 2045 is not simply transportation, it's a spiritual experience. Every flight embodies the essence of freedom, emotion, and control that defines Lamborghini's soul. As the Aeropod ascends through the clouds, the sound of plasma engines harmonizes with the silence of the sky, creating a symphony that blends adrenaline with peace. The connection between pilot and machine feels alive, intuitive, emotional, and deeply human. The Aeropod carries forward Lamborghini's legacy of dominance and innovation, standing as proof that passion knows no limits, not even gravity. It represents the rebirth of performance, where the thrill of the racetrack meets the infinity of the atmosphere. A team more than a machine, it's a testament to human imagination. The embodiment of Lamborghini's belief that every frontier can be conquered with courage, precision, and art. The Aeropod 2045 is not just the future of Lamborghini, it's the future of motion itself.